How to pay with Paysafecard on Netflix. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to pay with Paysafecard on Netflix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can create a Paysafecard account using our link down there in the video description below. And make sure to follow all of our links since some of them have bonus rewards upon following the links and signing up for an account. So without further ado, let's get started. So in Paysafecard website right here, in order to create an account, just click sign up button right here on the top right corner. And you just need to, use your Gmail account, to make an account. And after creating one, you will be redirected to the dashboard right here. So you don't have any funds at first, but you can add one by buying a gift card online or offline. It's up to you. So my recommended option is online. So just click buy online if you want to do that. And you just need to enter the amount of funds that you want to add in your credits in Paysafecard. And you can pay them using credit or debit card. And after purchasing the gift card, you just need to copy the code, 16-digit code right here on this one. And after adding your funds, make sure to also apply for a Paysafecard MasterCard account. So you can just click learn more right here in order to find the instruction on how to create a MasterCard account on Paysafe. So after adding funds on Paysafecard and also purchasing the MasterCard, you just need to go to the Netflix in order to use it. So right here, I'm going to purchase premium plan on Netflix, and I'm going to use the Paysafecard MasterCard account. I just need to change my, payment method from digital wallet to credit to debit card options. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can, pay with Paysafecard on Netflix. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.